Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Pro and how it's coming to Visible Wireless and what it has to offer. So we'll get into it, guys. If you guys don't know who Visible Wireless is basically owned by Verizon, and they are powered by Verizon, of course. So of course, there's little things here and there, but basically there's plans as low as $30 all the way to $45 a month. So of course, 30, you're not going to get as much priority and all that stuff. So let's go and look at the plans real quick. If it does have it up here, but I guess not. So it's going to be up here, plans. I'm just going to go over the plans real quick. Like I said, Visible Wireless is a good carrier, and I'll tell you why and then what deals they have with iPhone 14. But Visible and Visible Plus, $30 a month or $45. This is the recommended one. You do get priority data, which is our premium network experience with a $45 a month plan, which is $15 more. You get 50 gigs of priority data, which with Visible Wireless, you definitely need that. So 50 gigs, because if not, it gets pretty slow. And of course, both of these, you get 5G nationwide and 4G, but on the 45 or Visible Plus, you get the ultra wide band, unlimited hotspot on both as well, and some extras. But enough of that. Let's get into the iPhone 14 coming soon to Visible Wireless. That's why we're making this video today, because there's actually pretty good deals with it. I was going to say something else, but yeah, it's some really good deals. So iPhone 14 Pro Beyond coming soon to Visible Wireless. Also, Visible Wireless lets you finance through Affirm. So you can go through Affirm, you can actually finance these phones. So as you see, they're all under coming soon. There's a 14 Pro, Pro Max, 14, and 14 Plus. So here it is, guys. You get pretty cool things. You get two things. So let's say you want the iPhone 14 Pro. This is the one I would get. Check out the two offers. Get $200 to spend almost anywhere. So yes, guys, you'll get a $200 virtual gift card through Visible. So join Visible and create your account. It says transfer your number from an eligible carrier within 30 days of transaction. Set up your SIM and activate. After completing 3 full months of service payments, you'll receive an email with a code to redeem your virtual gift card. So here are the eligible carriers right here. So the big side is pretty important. So here it is: AT&T, Prepaid, Boost Mobile, Consumer Cellular, Cricket, all these right here, guys. So pretty cool, I should say. And so just check them all out. These are the ones that they say that are eligible for this port. So pretty cool. But like I said, basically you'll have to make 3 on-time full payments before you can get this $200 gift card. So think about it. You're pre-ordering the iPhone, you're going to get $200 off that price right away. So think about that. It's pretty cool. And now the cool thing, look at this thing. A pair of Airpods 3, guys. Wow. So it says become a new member and purchase the iPhone 14. So this is for the 14, the Plus, the Pro, and the Pro Max. Transfer your number from an eligible carrier, which are the ones we just saw, within 14 days. Set up your SIM and activate and transfer your number from an eligible carrier. Wow. So it's pretty cool, guys. It says qualified members will be given a promotional code which can be redeemed at visibleoffers.com. Code must be redeemed within 30 days. A receipt, device, and promotional ability is subject to change at Visible discretion. So another thing, like I said, 3 steps. Purchase an iPhone 14, any of the 14s, transfer your existing number from an eligible carrier, activate your Visible service, and then complete, same thing, 3 full months of service. So you'll get these AirPods 3, the 3rd gen ones. These are a value of $178 or $79, so $180. Guys, you're getting the AirPods 3 for free. So that's almost $200, plus you're getting a $200 gift card. That's $400 in value almost that you're getting. Really cool. Plus taxes, you're probably looking at $200 for the AirPods if you really think about it. Pretty close to it. So $400, this phone costs, let's say $1,000. You're getting it, for $600 technically, which is a steal. So really cool. Proud to show Visible wireless off to you guys. Like I said, the network could improve a little bit with congestion and stuff. At least in my area, like I said, they're probably really good in other areas, but at least here in my area, there are times where network could be a little slow. But yeah, that's a story for another day. But overall, guys, it's a sweet deal. Visible is powered by Verizon, so there are good things about it, and why not get this deal? So pretty cool. So like I said, I mean, if you're looking for AirPods and a $200 gift card, this is the way to go. So really good. And this is prepaid, remember. Prepaid, this is Visible Wireless is prepaid only, which is pretty cool. And you get 2 unlimited plans, all unlimited, including Hotspot. Hotspot is capped at 5 megabits per second. So pretty cool. If you guys want to support the channel, check out the description below. I have Honey's free web browser extension that finds you promo codes on popular shopping websites like this one. Get you find you the best promo codes and the ones that are available to save you money. So check it out, guys. A lot more videos coming your way. Dragon Warfare. Logging off. As you can tell, I'm pretty sleepy. Just got off of work, so just tired, man. But overall, this is a good deal. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos your way. Thank you.